Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before I get this video started, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Also, like the video if it helps you out in any way. If you have a Ford that's got the hill assist light stuck on, and you've checked everything from the fuses, or you replaced your ABS sensors, and you checked the lines, or you checked the sensors for your ABS and it's still on, and you check the fuses to make sure they're good, well, what you can do is replace the brake switch. There's the switch number right here. That's for Ford, and it's for your blue, which is your newer Fords. Let me show you here. I'll get it out of the package here. Here's your Ford. And I'll get out of the package, show you what it looks like. I said, and this is for your hill stop assist. When your light is still stuck on, you can't figure out why. And you check your sensors, check your fuses, try scanning it with a scanner, and it tells your ABS and all that's not working right. Replace your brake light switch. Just because the brake lights are not stuck on does not mean the switch is not faulty, causing your ABS to read improperly, so then your hill assist is not registering and working properly. Brand new one right here. Purchase it online. You can get them, or you can get them parts store, either one. You can order online, have it shipped to your house, or you can go pick it up in the store. And they're usually about 35, 40 bucks, after tax. And it's got a little clip, and you just pop in a little opening and twist, and your brake pedal switch. I said, this is for your hill stop assist on your Fords.